Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to increase VRAM in Windows in a very simple way. What you need to do, you just need to come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button, and then you just need to go for device manager. After that, your device manager will be open, and now you will get an option called display adapters. If you click on it and open it, you will get an option called AMD Radeon TM graphics. If you are using AMD, then you will get this one, or if you're using NVIDIA or Intel, you'll get that kind of adapters over here. So click on the right mouse button and then click on update driver. You will get an option called search automatically for drivers. If you click on that, your driver will be updated. After that, you just need to click on the start icon and then go for settings. And after that, you just need to go for system and then go for display. And then you'll get an option called advanced display. If you click on that, then there will be an option called display adapters properties for display 1. If you click on that, then you can see there is an option called dedicated video memory 512 MB. So it's my all dedicated memory, but you can see in my graphics memory, I have 8343 MB. It's quite like 8 GB over here. So how I will going to increase it? Just coming over into your search option and then search for run. After open the run, and then you will get the option, and you just need to type over here call, and here you just need to type rig edit and then click enter, and there will be a permission. Click yes, and here is your registry editor opened. And now what you need to do, you just need to click on this HQ local machine, open it, and then you just need to go for software. After that, you just need to search for, so if you click on Intel, there will be, now you just need to create a folder over here called new, and you just need to create a new key over here. I'm going to type it as the GMM. After click enter and click it, open it for it. And then here you just need to click on your right mouse button, then click new and going to open a DWORD 32-bit value. If you click on that, and then you just need to name it as dedicated segment size, and then click enter. After that, what you need to do, you just need to click on the right mouse button and then click on modify. And here you just need to give the value. How you're going to count the value? If you have 8 GB of VRAM, or if you have 16 GB of RAM, what you need to do, you just need to come over into your calculator, and here you just need to count down. If 1 GB has 1024 MB, then multiply it to 8 GB and going to copy this MB. I'm going to paste it over here like this. And now you just need to, here you can see I wrote it 8192 MB. And now if I click on OK, and now your VRAM is set it into 8 GB. And now what you need to do is just need to click on your start icon and then go for this power button and just restart it. And from this, you can increase your VRAM into Windows 11 in a very simple way. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.